Hi food lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Today I'm going to show you how to bake bread from the scratch. Let's get started. And here are some of my ingredients. And here are some of my ingredients that I'm going to use for the bread. I have 7 cups of flour. I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 3 teaspoons of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of yeast, and I have 3 cups of warm water. And right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this warm water into this bowl. This bowl is much bigger compared to the one which I've just held here. Then after that, I'm going to pour my yeast into warm water, then stir like so. Then after that, I'm going to take the salt and pour into my flour like so. Then I'm going to use my whisker. Then after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this flour to the yeast over here. Then after that, I'm going to pour my 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil into the flour. Then now I'm going to knead to make my dough. I'm just using one hand because the other hand on my left side does hold the camera. You just knead your dough and you make sure that it's well kneaded. And you can see the way my dough is coming out. You can see. Now what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to cover this dough for 1 hour because I want the dough to double in size, and I'm going to cover it with the kitchen towel for 30 minutes, for 1 hour. See you shortly. About 30 minutes is over. Now what you can see, it has double in size, and what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to press to remove the hair. to cover it again for another 1 hour before baking it. See you after 1 hour. And our 30 minutes is over. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to bake my bread. It's the one of my bread. There we go. And this is the second one. I'll just bake it for 30 minutes. I'm going to set my clock for 30 minutes. See you shortly. And my bread is ready. I'll have to switch off my oven.
Team, it's been a grind, but I think I've aged too well.
And the bread is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Bye-bye.